Athletes are heroes to so many of us, and particularly to our young people. But unfortunately, many of our athletes are subjected and targeted to online trolls. Targeted because of the colour of their skin, targeted because of where they were born. And it is completely unacceptable. We need to stamp it out in the real world and online.
Sports must be welcoming. I stand with our brave world-class athletes who stood up to the hate and spoken against racism from time to time and say no more.
The government is also strengthening our approach to online harm through the Online Safety Commissioner to ensure that the social media giants do their part to stamp out racism against our sports stars. But we need more. We need fans to do their bit and become part of the solution. That means reporting racism where you see it online and deleting it where you can. We must end hate speech and abuse of our brightest talents who represent all of us with distinction.
As Minister for Sport, I'm proud to represent a government which is committed to a zero-tolerance approach to racism in sport. That means getting tough on racist abuse and supporting our athletes. I'll be working with Sport Ireland, our national governing bodies and with my government colleagues to deliver on that commitment in the weeks ahead. As we enter into a very busy period of sport over the coming months, it is up to all of us to deliver on that vision for our sports people.